Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make deviled eggs easy. First, let's get those eggs perfectly hard-boiled. Place your eggs in a pot and cover them with cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then reduce heat and simmer for 10 minutes. This ensures a firm, fully cooked yolk. Immediately transfer the eggs to an ice bath to stop the cooking process and make them easier to peel. Once your eggs are cooled, carefully peel them. Slice each egg in half lengthwise and gently scoop out the bright yellow yolks into a small mixing bowl. Add about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, and a dash of salt and pepper. Mash these ingredients together until the mixture is smooth and creamy, with no large lumps. Now for the fun part, filling the egg whites. You can use a small spoon or, for a more polished look, pipe the yolk mixture back into the egg white halves using a pastry bag or a Ziploc bag with a corner snipped off. Fill each half generously. For a classic finish, sprinkle a pinch of paprika over the top or add some finely chopped fresh chives. Your delicious deviled eggs are almost ready. For the best flavor and texture, chill them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes before serving. They make a fantastic appetizer for any gathering. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the fridge for up to 2 days. Enjoy this timeless and easy-to-make treat.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.